Okay, what have I got to do?
You've got to do my makeup.
Okay, but what do you mean?
However you want me, however you want to do it, you do.
Do you have like a style? Is it like Halloween? I can do you as like Mask of Zorro if you want.
No, I want it to be a wearable.
You want blackface?
Wearable, but however you like.
Wearable, however you like. Okay, I should have googled this.
So there is a range of stuff on the table. Eye stuff, skin stuff, lip stuff, cheek stuff. I'm not going to tell you what any of it is. Some of the colours on the edge of the brush will give you a hint of what I use them for, but you use them for whatever you want. You've got to use. You maybe read the packaging.
No, we haven't got time for that. Okay. Primer. So that's first. Is it first? Face up. Spunky on my nose. Look.
Did you wash your hands?
No. They smell like sex.
Do you know what primer does?
Primes the skin.
Okay.
Okay, look at me. Come closer.
Just be careful of my coat. Oh god.
Alright, I should have. Oh, this is the thing for this. Right, don't smile. If this was a wedding, I wouldn't have time to be gentle. I would need to be thorough. That's the important bit, is blending down, because I see so many girls that don't blend down. That was a lot. That was a lot more than I thought it was going to be. Like, oh my god, I want you to do my makeup every day. You are going to... I'm just getting that crack of the nose. Okay. Check. Right, now contour. Yeah?
Okay, are all my spots gone?
No.
Okay.
So is there more to do? Oh, for fuck's sake.
So.
Nowhere near. Oops.
This,
Right, painting this. We're going to the pool after this and she's not going to change. Now I want to use a darker one.
Yeah.
Yeah, for... I don't know. Contouring?
Where else?
That was obviously one.
Okay. With the dark concealer.
Very good. Very good indeed. Shut your eyes. Okay, so little brush for contour, bigger brush for contour.
Look at the ends of the brushes.
That's the contour one.
No.
Hmm?
No.
That one? Every single one of them looks the fucking same. Do I spit on it or anything?
No, no.
Okay. Right. Oh dear.
I can see what you've done now.
Oh my god, it looks so much worse. Okay, turn that way. No, that way. Okay, look at me. Oh god! Sarah's just come back from her day of work at the mine. God. Well, do you know what? You said you wanted a tan. You've gone for blackface. Blend. It's all about just blending it in.
Okay, you might want to use a brush with less product on it to blend out.
I'm not even asking you which one I'm allowed to use. I'm just... Okay. Oh, the neighbours are going to think that I just slapped you. Good. Honestly, I've seen worse on the girls in Brighton. I mean, do that. You mean the old Professor McGonagall? Oh. Now that I think about it, I don't know what that would... I've definitely seen a TikTok girl do the nose.
Yeah. Maybe eyes? Nice venture.
That's what I was going to do next.
There. Oh god.
That is a trident. Trident.
Oh god.
It's the same thing.
No, it's definitely not the same thing.
Oh, I can see that eyes worked a lot. Turn that way.
God.
You've got a very distinct third eyebrow under that left-hand eyebrow.
What?
Yeah, you have now.
What do you mean? Yeah.
I've absolutely drawn her third eyebrow. Blend it in with a brush. Oh dear. I'll just blend it up into your eyebrow. That's good. That's good.
Right.
Don't look in the mirror. So, eyeshadow.
Yes.
Oh. Oh. Oh, they all look the same to me.
However, if you want to use it,
You're
feel
gonna
free.
go lick it or something.
No, don't lick it, please.
So I know what I'm gonna do.
Okay.
Just leave me with it. Just
That's
leave it
all
with me.
I am leaving you with it. Did you just pull a hair out of my head?
Uh-huh.
Did you do like a smoky eye?
Yeah.
Okay.
So don't look at me. Let me do the other one. I'm gonna do it right-handed because it's easier.
Okay, even though you're left-handed.
Yeah, shut your eye.
Okay
How do I erase?
then. That's a lot.
Yeah, no, you're alright. Oh my god, that is a lot. That's okay, look.
It's just my naked palette. It's only like
I'll buy you a new one.
38 quid.
Well, not buy you a new one.
Oh.
Look, don't.
What are you using?
Look. Just ignore it.
That does not feel like an eye brush.
It's a blending brush. Keep your eyes shut.
Oh no. If you just use my big fluffy brush that goes all over my face.
No?
All over my face.
Yeah, there's nothing on it. Look, I'm blending. Smokiness.
Blend
Look at
it.
the camera. Look how good you look.
But blend with a brush that'll fit my eye, not
Stop.
my whole face.
That is the perfect. That's actually satisfying. Now, did you do anything under the eye?
I put an eyeliner on that, but it's a very thin line,
Yeah.
very thin line
Yeah.
of usually dark.
Open your shit was. You might think that this is weird, but I actually think it's experimental.
Okay.
I imagine the people at MAC and Naked would appreciate my experimentation.
Urban Decay.
Right? Yeah, that one. The naked people at Urban Decay. Okay, open your eyes. Yeah, okay. Well, that's okay. We're not going anywhere. Okay, so you would use under your eye. Can you open your top eye? Open your eye. Okay. Oh yeah, look, it's lovely.
Because I can't see it, but I can feel it.
I feel like this won't be on the cover of any of the magazines.
Really?
But I also think that as a whole, there has been worse. You look like an Egyptian goddess right now.
Okay.
I think this needs to be on your eyebrows, so come closer. Because your eyebrows are not very distinguishable. See, that's bad. That's bad. But I've got to do them both now. Because consistency means more. Don't move your head around. This is serious. Now blusher.
Blusher, yes. No, there are various different options for blusher. Oh,
Just cream blusher.
It's cream.
What do I do with this?
Okay. Brushes.
Yes. I mean,
And then
looks like you've caught the sun a little bit.
probably this one.
Okay.
This is what I usually use. I mean, what did you use that for?
This one's really dark. Okay, so
Am I shiny? Or am I fairly matte?
no, you are matte.
Matte. That's okay then.
Shake it.
If you want. Please do not blind me. Oh fuck. Okay, please do not blind me.
Open them. Open them. I don't know why I'm staring at you with wide eyes as well. Okay, open. Keep them open.
Brush the bottom lashes up. That's what I'll say.
I thought you went under them. Oh, Mm-hmm. Look that way. Ugh. There's so much on this right now.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, that was a good one. You alright? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Made you look like a bit of a whore. I'll start here. No, don't laugh, don't laugh. This is serious.
I wish they could see your face.
Ah, do that. I'm in the Melinda Messenger. How far in do I go? Do I go like down to your gum? I'll tell you what would have been funny is if I made you go to the shop. Alright. I think you're gonna be amazed with how good she looks. Oh babe, you're so pretty. Turn your head to the side. Yeah, other way. Honestly, I don't know what the problem is.
God. Ready?
Yeah, go on. Do the big reveal. What?
Okay. I can't really see it very well in this light, so I need to look properly, but yeah, when you said I look like I've been thumped in the face, you weren't wrong. The flick is large, and my lips. What the hell?
That's how I like them.
Oh, okay. Not. Yeah. Okay. We can safely say, I will be doing my own makeup from now on. The skin doesn't look terrible, you know, but I can't really see in this light. But
Okay, so to quickly tell the camera before it overheats, what your final thoughts are.
My final thoughts are, don't let Ashley Chandler do your makeup. Unless you want to look like you've been out on the town for, I don't know.
At least a week.
A week, yeah.
Okay, let's have a look at your teeth. Because I know that there was some on there. Have you licked it off already?
Have I?
That's gross, you just ate it. Okay then, babe.